Right class, now we are going to chapter 10, the last topic, which is index number. Okay, what is index number? It is a statistical unit that can be measured the changes in a variable such as price and quantity. So there are two things we can measure, price and quantity. Okay, we can measure how much the changes of the items by comparing the price and quantity between the base year and current year. Okay, so from the value of changes, we need to express it in percentage so that we can identify how many percent increase and how many percent decrease. Okay, so these index numbers can be divided into simple or non-weighted index and weighted index. Okay, so for simple or non-weighted index, there are three different types. Okay, simple or relative index, average relative index, and simple aggregate index. What is mean by aggregate? It is mean total, overall. Okay, we need to measure overall, keseluruhan dia. Okay, that is aggregate index. Okay, first, simple relative price and quantity index. Okay, what is simple relative price index? It is compares the price of an item in a certain year to that of base year. Okay, so the formula is I is equal PT over P naught times 100. What is I? I ni symbol for index. Okay, I, it means symbol for index. Okay, what is PT? Price of the current year. P naught, price of the base year. And then we need to multiply with 100. Why? Because we need to express it in percentage. Okay, and then same goes to the simple relative quantity index. I equals to QT divide Q naught multiply with 100. Okay, this is formula for simple relative price and quantity index. Okay, so for QT, it is quantity of the current year. Q naught, quantity of the base year. Okay. Okay, look at example 1. Alright, example 1. In January 1999, the price of a sliced loaf of bread was Rm 1.80 cent. In January 2001, the price went up to Rm 2.30 cent. Taking 1999 as the base year, find the simple relative price index. Okay, price index of a sliced loaf of bread in 2001. Okay, daripada soalan tu, dia bagi tahu 1999 is the base year. It means it is P naught. Right? Okay, P naught. And then Rm dia berapa? Rm for the base year is RM1.80. Okay, and then for 2001, it is current year. It means PT, and then RM is RM2.30. Okay, so we need to find the simple relative price index by using formula I equals to PT divide P naught multiply with 100. Okay, so what is PT? This one, 2.3 divide 1.8 times 100. Then the answer would be 127.78. So from this value, okay, how many percent? From this value, how we want to know it is increase or decrease? Okay, so 127.78, it is more than 100%. So we can know that it is increase. Okay, 127.78, we need to minus. Okay, we need to minus with 100, and then it is equal 27.78%. So this value, we can interpret this. Okay, the price of bread increased by 27.78% between the base year and the current year. Okay, macam tu kita nak tahu, nak identify how many percent increase or how many percent decrease. Okay, kalau awak tengok pada sini value ni more than 100, so take this value, we need to minus with 100 so that we can know the percentage, how many percent increase. 27.78% increase from the base year to the current year. Okay, so look at note dekat situ. A price index of P exceeding 100 means an increase in price from the base year of P minus 100. What is P? P that means ni. P value yang kita cari ni. This is P. Okay, kalau lebih daripada 100, that means P minus 100. This one, P. Okay, this one, P minus 100. Okay, kalau kita dapat value ni more than 100, that means P minus 100, so that we can identify how many percent increase. Okay, and then likewise, a value of P less than 100 would indicate a decrease of 100 minus P in price. That means if awak calculate, awak dapat 90%, this one. Okay, for example, awak dapat 90%. Okay, it means it is less than 100, right? Less than 100%. So how do we want to identify how many percent decrease? So 100 minus P. This one, P, 90%, it is P. Okay, 100 minus 90, then we can get 10%. So 10% decrease from the base year to the current year. Okay, 10% ni yang decrease, bukan 90%. Okay, 90% ni value yang kita dah kira. Okay, nak tahu how many percent decrease, 100 minus 90. So 10% ni lah, okay, yang decrease from the base year to the current year. Okay, boleh faham tak? Alright, for example 2. Okay, example 2. So, okay, example 2, table 1 below shows the price of fish from the year 2001 to 2005, taking 2002 as the base year. Find the simple relative price index of fish from 2001 to 2005. Okay, so from the question, okay, 2002 as the base year, that means 2002, it is peanut. Okay, harga dia berapa? 6.5. Okay, 6.5. Okay, and then we need to find the simple relative price index from 2001 to 2005. So you need to calculate one by one. For 2001, okay, the price index is PT divide peanut multiply 100. So for price of the current year 2001, which is 5, divided by peanut, this one, 6.5, multiply with 100, then you will get the answer is 76.92. Okay, 76.92. So this value, okay, how do you want to identify how many percent decrease? So we need to calculate 100 minus with 76.92. Then you will get 23.0.8%. Okay, so 23.0.8% it is decrease. Okay, decrease between the base year and the current year. Okay, yang ni yang kita nak. Okay, how many percent the decrease? Okay, decrease by 23.0.08. Sorry, it is decreased 23.08% from the base year and the current year. Okay, boleh faham tak? Sorry, saya tak berapa sihat hari ni. So for 2002, okay, the price index, okay, for 2002, 6.5 divided by 6.5 multiply with 100. Okay, then you will get the answer is 6.5 calculate you get 1. So the answer is 100%. Kalau 100%, that means there are no changes. Okay, dia tak ada increase, tak ada decrease. There are no changes. Okay. And then for 2003, the price index for 2003 it is 7.5. Okay, 7.5 divided by P naught, which is 6.5. Okay, base yang sama. Okay, base yang sama 2002, base year yang sama. Okay, P naught 6.5 and then times with 100. Okay, then you will get the answer is 115.38%. Okay, you faham tak? You faham dah? And then for 2004, okay, you guys try calculate. You will get the answer is 123.07. Okay, for 2005, the index number is 153.85. Okay, try calculate for 2004 and 2005. Okay, same formula. Okay, PT divide P naught times 100. Alright, and then look at for example 3. Alright, the table 2 shows the quantity of iron produced by a country in millions of tons from 2000 to 2003. Okay, from 2000 to 2003. Okay, look at A. Find the simple quantity index for 2001 with 2000 as the base year. Okay, so dia bagi tahu kat situ 2000 as the base year, that means it is Q naught. Okay, and then the production of iron is 300. Okay, and then we need to find the simple quantity index for 2001. Okay, so the index is, okay, the quantity index is QT divided by Q naught times 100. So QT is 450 divide Q naught, the 300 times 100. Then try calculate, you will get 150. Okay, this is for A. Okay, for B, find the simple quantity index for the production of iron in 2002 and 2003 with 2001 as the base year. So 2001 as the base year, which is Q naught. Okay, it is 450. Okay, so you need to calculate one by one. Okay, for 2002, the quantity index, okay, 520 divided by 450 times 100. Okay, and then how do you get? You will get 115.56. Okay, this is for 2002. 2003, the quantity index is, okay, 800 divided by 450 times 100. Okay, try calculate, you will get 177.78. Okay, you faham now? This is for simple relative price and quantity index. Okay, tak faham boleh tanya dalam WhatsApp. Okay.